Sa iba't ibang dekadang nadaanan ko sa showbiz, the one thing that has remained constant is change. And now, dahil sa pandemic, may hinaharap tayong lahat na big change. Kung paano tayo maglibang, how we spend time with our family and with our friends, and usual fitness routine natin, kung paano natin ginagawa ang mga bagay-bagay. Mas lalo na with our respective careers. May iba ng approach and how we do everything. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito na it's time to stop. Big thanks to technology at sa napakadaming virtual possibilities for as long as we adapt to the times, hindi tayo mapag-iiwanan ng panahon. As for me, tuloy ako with my performances online, kung saan sa awa ng Diyos naaabot ko ang milyong viewers, hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas, pero pati na rin sa buong mundo. At ang best part ay dahil dito, nakaka-raise kami ng malaking tulong para sa mga charities na sinusuportahan namin. Kaya just the same, kaya mo din mag-carry on with your business at the front row of your computer, your iPad, or even your cell phone screens. So, sa lahat ng mga front row business partners dyan, ang mga panahon na ito ang nagpapatunay that you have invested your time, your resources, wisely, being in the business that will not only help you survive the times, but also live greatly with the times. Kagaya kung paano akong pinalakas at lalong pinatibay ng napaka-amazing na Lux Renew 8-Berry Extract ng Front Row for the past 3 intense and eventful years. Kaya sa mga nanonood ngayon, kalma lang tayo and rest assured that a bright future lies ahead para sa ating lahat, especially if we choose to live our lives at the front row. At malaking pasasalamat din sa front row para sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay nyo ngayon sa ating mga frontliners at mga kababayan. Front row, the business of changing people's lives, the business of the new normal. Kumontak na ng authorized front row distributor to learn more about their health products and to help jumpstart your new normal. I'll see you.